Are you judging him? So it's like 4 a.m. and Chester started coughing. It's probably kennel cough. We picked him up like 11 days ago from the shelter, and the symptoms can come up to 14 days. So all my dogs are vaccinated, but so is he, so it doesn't mean they won't all get it. It's like a common cold, but he's a senior dog, and it can also turn into pneumonia. So we're going to call the vet immediately in the morning to try and drop him off. And see if he can get checked out. Go back to sleep. I'm gonna go back to sleep. You go back to sleep. Let's go back to sleep. No, diabetic Duffy.